I'm very glad, insanely glad. I really love private life. Right at Baruyas. We will now live 5 meters from the bar, and from the pier actually.
We have 2 large barrels. These barrels will be filled with water. The boat will tilt to the right. At this point, we will pull the halyard, which goes green, and make the angle of inclination of the boat somewhere in the order of 10 degrees. When the water starts to leave the tide, we will be all ready, tilted to stand in this direction, and we'll just lie down on the pier. We'll stand on the keel, already tilted to the right place. Well, Diana, you have your own pool now. Look, wow, what? It just needs to be cleaned. So, friends, the wonderful moment came when we drained our boat to repair the bottom. It's really just a nightmare and Otsman. Just hell. I'm going to walk around with the camera and show you how it all works. But putting on the keel is quite such a fast thing, because 2 times a day the tide is out. And when installed at low tide, the boat hits the bottom quite hard. One is actually coral, so it's a nightmare. Well, now I'll show you everything. So let's go. I have already shown how we are fixed. We have 2 ropes that go from the bow. Here's how it looks from above now. We have 1 point of contact. We are lying sideways on the pier. Here it is, the board. From behind. That too. We are hanging very high from behind and attached to a rope that holds the stern. And we stand behind on the steering wheel, or in English radar. So let's go down, and we will look at this whole nightmare. So let's go. Right now we have workers here who...
Hi guys. Many barnacles are there.
Yeah. You need, when you start Monday, huh?
Yeah, I think on Monday.
But you give people it.
Yeah. I spoke with Peter about that. Hakuna Matata. You see, it's still a little bit of anti-fouling on it. Not so bad like it could be.
So let's go. This is what the bottom of the boat looks like. Here we are now standing on the keel. Here's our keel. Such a heavy bulba. And he's standing at the bottom. It's safe. We checked with Benito. They said that it was possible to do so. There were no problems. Here we are overgrown. Our propeller. I'm showing you now what it looks like when it's overgrown. And then I'll show you how it will look all clean. The propeller is collapsible. It's even working yet. These are the holes of the water intake too. The drive is spinning normally. That is, even though it is so overgrown. It still works absolutely fine, and here we are standing on the rudder. Or whatever it's called, pyro rudder here. Height. Everything is above water. I'm going to step a little further away now. I'll show you how it all looks from afar and from the outside.
No, it's factory paint. I can ask Benito if you want. Is it good? Yeah, it's 4 years already, I think.
I've never had a boat like this. This is the first time. I think this is also the first time for these types of boat that it has been raised like this. So we have a lot of experience.